Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture installation of libraries in Colab. So here we'll be installing TensorFlow 2. By default it is already installed, but we will use a specific version of TensorFlow 2. Then we'll be installing TensorFlow Slim. Going forward we'll be working with Cocoa pre-trained models, so we'll be installing PyCoco tools. Then we'll be cloning the latest GitHub models repo, the TensorFlow models that we have gone through and we have opened it multiple times. So we will do the latest version copy of that. And then we will do the Protos conversion of the Protos file, similar like that we have done in TensorFlow 1.x. And then finally, we will try to install the setup.py file for object detection. So let's jump to Google Chrome. Okay. So here, this is the official models repo. So this is the master branch and we'll be working with the latest branch and not with the old one that we have done last time with TFOD 1.x. So in this branch, so this is the models one. So inside models, I need to go inside research. Inside research, there is object detection. And right now it's a model garden actually because there are a lot of less folders as compared to TFOD 1.x. And then here is actually the folder collab tutorial. So we'll be using this. So already TensorFlow has provided, so we'll be working on that. And if any changes are needed, we will do that. So right now it's getting loaded. Okay, so I will just run in collab. I will do that. Okay, run in collab. Okay, that's opening. I will just connect to a runtime for now. Okay, it's fine. It's runtime is GPU. This is the official TensorFlow, I will say, tutorial provided, the collab tutorial. So let's start executing them one by one. So in the first step, we'll be doing the installation part only. Okay, then we'll be going through the model loop and then finally going through the inferencing. So first of all, let's install TensorFlow. Two dots are is something like it will try to pick up the pre-release. So it's already updated. We do have TensorFlow 2.4.1 installed in our system, so there will be no issues. And pip install even tfslim in one shot we have done, so tfslim will also be installed. Then the next step will be installing PyCoco tools. So we'll be working with Cocoa pre-trained models. Because of that, we are doing this. So PyCoco tools installation is done. And right now, here we are doing the cloning of the model strip. So you can see actually TensorFlow GitHub models. Okay, so if it is not available, it will try to download. Okay, I think the download is completed. So let me just try to open it here. You can see the models is here. Inside models, I will go inside research. Inside research, there is object detection. And inside that, there will be a folder called as Pro Tools. Okay, so all of them are proto files. Just check them. So all are .protools. Okay, so we'll be doing the conversion of these Pro Tools to Python. Okay, now the conversion has been done. So I think it will be updated. Okay, now all the py5 files came here .py formatted. So all the conversion is done successfully. And then finally we will do the installation of the object detection library. So right now inside cd models research, okay, the file setup.py file is not available, so it has been moved to a different place. Okay, so let me just show you that particular file. So it's now inside object detection. There is a folder called as packages. Okay, so inside packages there is tf2 and here is the setup.py file. So what I will do, I will just copy this path. I will write here cp. Okay, so I am doing a cd, so I'm dot my current directory and I will just try to execute this one. So this installation has started and it will take some amount of time. Right now here it's mentioned pip install dot. So dot, it means that actually we're telling python setup.py install. It is the same command that you can use alternatively. Okay, or if there is a setup file in that particular folder, you can mention pip install dot, and it will automatically pick that setup file for you. So right now I have copied this setup file, okay, and requirement ready. Okay, successfully got installed. Okay, so successfully built object detection. So guys, in the next lecture, we'll be talking about the our model zoo of TensorFlow 2, and then finally we'll be doing the inferencing. So guys, see you in the next lecture.